Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're anything like me, you're constantly looking for ways to make life just a little bit easier. And today, I've got something special for you. 10 brilliant products from Amazon that are absolute game changers for everyday problems. We're talking less stress, more time, and a whole lot of why didn't I think of that moments. Kicking things off with a kitchen essential. How many plastic baggies do you go through a week? If you're like me, it's too many. Enter Stasher Reusable Silicone Bags. These aren't just pretty faces, they're solving the massive problem of single-use plastic waste. They're super durable, leak-proof, and get this, freezer-safe, microwave-safe, and even oven-safe. Store your leftovers, pack a snack, sous vide a steak, these do it all. Plus, they'll save you money in the long run. No more buying endless boxes of plastic bags. Next up, if you dread meal prep as much as I do, you need this. This is a generic vegetable chopper pro, and it's a lifesaver. Chopping onions, dicing peppers, spiralizing zucchini, it can take forever. This little gadget literally does it in seconds. Multiple blades for different cuts, easy to clean, and it keeps your fingers safe. My hands-on time in the kitchen has been cut in half, seriously. More time to eat, less time to prep. All right, let's tackle cabinet chaos, specifically under the sink. We all have that dreaded dark abyss where everything gets lost. This under-sink sliding organizer is pure genius. Instead of rummaging through a mountain of cleaning supplies, these sliding drawers bring everything right to you. Instant access, instant organization. No more knocking over 3 bottles just to get to one. Speaking of kitchen organization, if your counters are overflowing or your spice cabinet is a war zone, listen up. The magnetic spice rack is such a simple yet brilliant solution. It sticks right to the side of your refrigerator, freeing up precious counter space or cabinet room. All your spices are visible, easily accessible, and out of the way. It's a small change that makes a huge difference, especially in smaller kitchens. Moving to the bathroom. Who here loves unclogging drains? No one? Exactly. This tiny but mighty tub shroom drain protector is a total game changer. Unlike those flimsy mesh strainers that sit on top, the tub shroom fits inside your drain, neatly catching every single hair out of sight, while still allowing water to flow perfectly. No more gross hair clumps, no more slow drains, and no more harsh chemicals. Just clean pipes. This next one is not just convenient, it's a safety essential. Lint buildup in your dryer vent isn't just inefficient, it's a major fire hazard. The Home Dryer Vent Cleaner Kit attaches to your vacuum and has this super flexible hose that gets deep into your lint trap and the dryer vent itself, sucking out all that hidden lint that your regular lint screen misses. It dramatically improves dryer efficiency and, more importantly, keeps your home safe. Don't throw out that favorite sweater just yet. If you have clothing, upholstery, or even blankets that look old and worn out because of pilling, you need a handheld fabric shaver. This little device gently but effectively shaves away all those annoying pills and fuzzballs, making your items look practically brand new again. It's like magic for extending the life of your wardrobe and furniture. Travel lovers, listen up. If you struggle with overpacked suitcases or wish you could bring more, compression packing cubes are your new best friend. You pack your clothes inside, and then there's a second zipper that compresses everything down, removing all that excess air. I'm talking up to 50% more space in your luggage. Seriously, these are a game changer for fitting everything you need without the bulk. How many times have you dropped your phone, your keys, or your spare change into the infamous Carmuda triangle, that black hole between your car seat and the console? The car seat gap filler solves this simple but infuriating problem. It's a simple, flexible wedge that fits snugly into that gap, preventing anything from falling through. It even moves with your seat, so it's always there. No more dangerous fumbling while driving or endless searching. Last but not least, for my fellow travelers or anyone who hates ironing, meet the foldable travel steamer. Hotel irons can be a pain, and let's be real, who wants to iron on vacation? This steamer heats up in seconds, quickly de-wrinkles your clothes, and the best part? It folds down super compact, easily fitting into your carry-on. Look sharp without the fuss, wherever you are. So there you have it, 10 everyday problems, 10 ingenious solutions, all available on Amazon. I genuinely use and love so many of these products, and I hope they make your life a little easier too. You can find direct links to all of these products in the description box below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more life hacks, and let me know in the comments which product you're most excited to try.